Alright, this is 2004 F150, and you can see right there on the door there's a dent. So I already inspect the whole hinges, and there's no crack or bent or anything, but this thing, it opens all the way, and there's no stopping anymore. So it's right there, and you can see it's clean. And now you can see there's a marking in there. I put a mark. That's where I'm going to drill. So up, this is the bottom one. I'm on driver's side, and this is the upper. And you can see the hinges when I'm trying to open the door. You see it's moving. See, that's where I'm going to put the nuts, so it will stop that like a stopper. So hang into it, and I'm gonna start drilling. This is my simple fix. Instead changing, I changed this one didn't work, so that's $70. I have to return it, and to had to change the, what they call this, the hinges. I don't think so. That's another $40 each. So I just gonna make some quick simple fix on this one, so we save some money. This will apply to 2004 and to 2000, I don't know, 8 to 10. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished product, and you can see right there, if you can see it. Now it's holding, it's stopping the, it's really hard, you can see right there, and then see, now it's stopping the hinges right there, so it's not going anywhere. And you can see the distance, and that's it right there. And even if you push it hard, and it's gonna stop. So I drill another one on the bottom right there. You can see I was aiming for, see this metal right here, it goes like U, and it's right there in the middle right now. So that's my that's where I'm gonna put the bolts, and you can see right there. Yep, right there. So okay, right now I'm doing putting the threads. By the way, this bolt right here, that bolt, I got it from Riley for $3, and also this one, I got it from what do you call this, Harbor Freight for $4. So you do the math. I guess I spent almost $10. It's not bad. Good luck for your new project. Okay, right now I'm on passenger side, First thing you need to do is take it out the rubber before you drill. And here comes the finish. I gotta clean that thing. Okay, this one. Total work hours, 2 hours plus minus. That's it. Alright, and save some money.